And they're not just about horse racing. What do you got on this one?
The Eastern Conference is high-flying, goal
score! And so the celebrating comes early for the first goal.
Well, the key, once you score one, try and get another. Push them back on their heels. They've got one. Go get two. And he paid the price.
Dangles. In the slot. He scores!
They'll certainly have more energy. They've got the game's first score, and now they can play from in front.
Couldn't retain possession. Stole that pass. Tries to... They score! Sidney Crosby.
Crosby's lateral move got the puck to the backhand. He was able to beat the goaltender.
And so he thought he had it snuffed out, but the shooter was able to get the puck around his foot and deposit it in the cage.
Lets the shot fly. He scores!
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up one, go make it two.
From the face-off, and they lock up in a good reach. Score! Late in the period. Couldn't get much later for that one.
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up one, go make it two.
But the goaltender robs him. What a stop.
Trying for it. He scores!
Now that the scoring's been opened up, we'll see if the opponent can punch their way back into this game. You can't be back on your heels too long. The Devils have had more success, and that kind of bugs the Rangers more than a little bit.
Many thanks, Ray. Shoots! Terrific! He scores!
Sometimes when you score first, you take the edge off your own team. That can't happen. You're up one, go make it two.
Gets across, looks over his options. Strong, slippery move. One-timer, score! And this one is tied.
changed everything about this one.